So, who among us couldn't use more joy? So, my guest tonight on She Built It Boss Lady Chronicles was Christa Smith. Christa is a mindset coach and motivational speaker, and she talked to us all about joy. She took us through her journey from deep grief after the passing of her father to connecting with herself and emerging a more joyful person. And not only did Krista find her way to joy, after she came out of her depression, she started spreading joy to everybody else. So she talked to us about how important it is that we be still, that we are intentional, that we set our intention for the day, that we move. She even helped us to a little bit with our breathing. So not so much exercise, but just movement and being mindful of what's going on in our bodies. She encouraged us to reflect at the end of each day and then to celebrate. One of the things that she said that really stuck with me was become your biggest cheerleader. Think about that because so often we are so down on ourselves and we are our our harshest critic. So instead of being your harshest critic, become your biggest cheerleader. Root for yourself because life is hard. It can be hard, but it can also be really good. And so make it better. Don't be harder on yourself than other people are. Bring joy, celebrate yourself, celebrate all the wonderful things that are about you. And so Krista has also written, she has a coaching program and she's also written a book. And so check out the full episode here. It's one that will leave you smiling and maybe even laughing. I'll give you a little hint. She talks about laughter yoga. Check out the episode. Have a good night.